guys, welcome to Christmas Lights in Athens. As you can see in Syntagma, everything is lit up except for the tree. It's Tuesday, November 29th, and they're not going to light them up until Thursday. And now last year they did it really early and they didn't make any announcements because we were still like fighting COVID. This year everything is in full swing and there are lots of things happening around the city that haven't happened when I've been here before. So I'm not going to stay here in Syntagma because I'm going to come back down here for the Christmas tree lighting on Thursday. I'm actually going over to Technopolis to go to the Christmas factory, which is in the Technopolis sort of area. It used to be the gasworks. I haven't been to this before and I'm super curious to see what it looks like because it kind of looks like a Christmas market. So we'll see. I'm also going to show you some of the decorations around town. One of the traditions that I love here in Athens is Public, which is a bookstore and like they have small appliances and other things. Anyway, they always wrap the store in this beautiful bow. Looks like a Christmas present. It's great. Looks like all of the places with roof gardens have got their lights up in Monastiraki, and the flea market is all lit up as well. But on to Keramikos. Well, this turned out to be really easy. I wasn't sure where the entrance was going to be because the entrance to Technopolis, like from the other side of the street, is sometimes hard to get to. So I got off the metro and here's the entrance. I do think there's a charge to get in. However, I think it's €3.50 from what I could tell on their website. It wasn't super clear because it wasn't in English. There are some things like theater shows and things, and those cost more than the entry fee. Okay, so it's $3.50 a person, but when I came through, it was like buy one, get one, some like not two for one, but it was €7 for two people. And the person in front of me said, "Oh, do you want to come in with me?" And I said, "Well, I don't have any cash to pay you back." And she was like, no, she paid for me to get in. And she was like, "It's Christmas." How nice is that? Anyway, it's really cute. I think maybe if they do this every year, it'll get better and better. And I've actually never been in here before. So this is kind of a cool experience for me as well. Like, I've never been in the gasworks to come down here and see like what happens, but there's tons of stuff that happens down here all through the year. And I was gonna go home and eat dinner, but you know what? I think I'm gonna try one of the little street food vendors after I walk around. Okay, I don't know what the first word says, but it's sweets. So I'm gonna go inside and see what kind of sweets. I haven't had dinner yet, so we'll see. So all the historic buildings are also open, so it's a good chance to come inside if you're here to see some of the old gasworks as well. I will come back when this entire place is not decorated for Christmas to give you guys a better tour of the gasworks, but it's very cool in here. And there's decorations everywhere, inside the buildings, outside the building. It's great. In there is the line to see Santa. And there was quite a long line. Well, a long line for how many people are here. I think there were like 7 or 8 kids waiting, plus all their parents. So I'm not gonna wait for Santa. There are lots of little booths for shopping as well. So you can come, you can eat, you can see Santa and do some Christmas shopping all in one stop. Oh, and ride rides. There are lots of rides to ride, including a Ferris wheel. There's even the traditional Christmas market ice rink. It's not very big, but it's still cool. Okay, I was gonna get like a whole meal, but I decided to just get some French fries with honey mustard sauce, which sounded really good. And then I saw some chocolate that I think I'm gonna go get. So that's gonna be my dinner. There's even a merry-go-round. Very classic looking merry-go-round. It's very cute. And there's the Ferris wheel. If you're an adult, it may be not like the most exciting thing for you unless you really want to get like into the Christmas spirit, because there isn't a ton of things to do if you're an adult. It's mostly just for the kids, which of course is totally fine. The other thing you'll see is that all the main avenues have Christmas lights. Each one is slightly different though. So some have these Christmas trees, some have lights going like across them, and each square, well, not each square, but one square in each neighborhood probably has a Christmas tree. I know that the one in Hukaki has been put up and lit, so I'll show that to you now that I'm walking back home. I imagine that if you come in December, your hotel will probably have Christmas decorations like this one. Oh, they have a really great tree. Look at that. I don't know if it's showing up, but it's a beautiful tree. And here's the one in Hukaki. It's on the pedestrian street, not near the metro, the one further down. It's really nice. They pretty much all look like this though in the squares. They are all sort of this green tree with gold lights.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas.
Hey guys, I'm down in Omonia. Yes, Omonia, because they always decorate this square and I've never been able to come down here and see it. So I thought before I went to go watch the tree lighting, I would come and show you the fountain and their Christmas tree, which is already lit, unlike the one in Syntagma. There's the beautiful Christmas tree. It's actually really, really nice. It's a little different than the little mini squares around town. The trees are a little bit smaller. So, and here is the fountain. And behind is the Hondo Center, and they have some great lights. If you can see, the lights on the edge of the building form a Christmas tree. And all of the buildings have something. So this one has all these sparkly lights. They have small Christmas trees over there. And down each of the streets off Omonia have lights as well. The one other thing I wanted to mention is that on the news I've heard that they are going to have a Christmas market here and in Kypseli. And I know the one here, I believe, is starting December 18th. Now obviously I won't be here then, but in case you want to come and check it out, I don't know what they are going to look like, so I don't know any more details than that. If I do find out details before this video gets published, then I will put them down in the description box below. I've made it down here and it's not super crowded yet. It's probably about an hour before the lighting. Well, I don't know. It says starting at 7:15. I don't know if that's when the lighting was, but since the entertainment has already started, then maybe that's the lighting. Turned off all the lights, so let's see. It is 7 o'clock, so let's see what happens. That was really nice. It was nice to see it. The tree is really beautiful, and some of the thing was in English because they had all these mayors from all over the world, so it was very cool. Okay, I'm gonna actually go up the stairs so that you guys can see it from the stairs. Even though the stage is there, I still think it's a cool view of the tree. And then I'll walk down past Irmu so you can see that. But on the way up there, I'm gonna go by the hotels and see what their decorations look like, because sometimes the hotels are really nicely decorated. Yes, so the Athens Plaza always has these cute Christmas trees and little reindeer out. Now, the King George, I believe this one's called, has a beautiful Christmas tree in the window. Unfortunately, this one, you can never see the tree inside. You can just see the stuff on the outside. You can also see all the lights down the streets are now lit up too. They hadn't lit all of them yet, but now they are. So now Athens feels like it's decorated for Christmas. Well, this is what the square looks like from up here. They do have the stairs sort of blocked off, so I can't stand directly on the stairs, but that's what it looks like. It was much better on the other side. I got here and I was able to get to the other side, and that was definitely the place to be because that's the direction the stage was facing. And here it is from the back outside with all of the smoke and the bubbles, which we discovered are dry ice. It looks really cool. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my Christmas Lights in Athens little tour. There's so much more to see. I hope you enjoyed this. I certainly enjoyed making it. So please hit the subscribe button if you did. And I'll see you guys in the next video.